Okay, so this is a solution that a student might come up with for a problem-based task to do with transition pieces. So basically what we did was I gave the student a cylinder or a pipe and a square-based ducting or prism-based ducting, and said, okay, we need to be able to get water through a pipe into a square ducting without losing any water. Water is just maybe a good way to explain it to them, or maybe air. Now this is one solution students could have come up with. They could have capped off the end, drilled a hole in it, and told you they were going to weld the pipe or glue the pipe to it. But then we tried to explain to them that we want to have the path with least resistance. So if they had a flat surface hitting off it, if it had been coming the opposite way, might have formed some resistance and slowed down the flow. Whereas doing this would be a really good way to explain it to them. Students should be just left to experiment. So we're showing the materials they're given and they're let experiment. So they might fold up a funnel and shove it in first and realise, okay, it's not fitting perfectly with the square and we have just a funnel shape or a cone shape. And they might start to think, can they combine a cone shape with a pyramid shape possibly? Because that's more or less what we'd have to do here, to combine a cone and a pyramid to bring a circle and a square-based prism, or square-based prism together. And that's where they might be able to start seeing this come into action. This is triangulation and will be discussed later on. But basically, we have one apex and different bases of our triangles. And these triangles are really, really small and form a nice fit with the curve of our cylinder. So this is just a very simple solution that should be able to give students a concrete experience and help them to really understand physically and be able to play around with and start to really understand the principles behind how we would connect a square-based prism and a cylinder using a transition piece.